Welcome to United Public School Online Education, Class 3, and our subject is Maths. As you know that we are continuing our chapter number 5, that is division. Today's our topic is long division. So let us see how we can do the long division. Okay? So first we see dividing 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Here you have to follow certain steps, that is first you compare, then divide, then multiply, then subtract and then bring down. So let us see how we can follow these steps. Okay students, let's see the examples. Divide. Number 1, 46 by 2. That means 46 divided by 2. So first we draw the sign of long division. This is the sign of long division. Then you have to arrange the numbers. So 46 is the bigger number. That means 46 is the dividend. So we write inside by 2. That means we have to divide 46 by the 2. So 2 is the divisor. So we write outside of that sign. Right? Now let's start to divide. So in the 46, the first number is 4. Right? And it is greater than the divisor. So we take only one number here, right? So 4 number is come in the 2 table. Yes, right? So 2 2s are 4. So we have to write 2 2s are minus 4. See, 2 2s are 4, right? 4 you have to write exactly at the downside of the upper 4, right? Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, now which is the number is remaining in the dividend? 6. That you have to take the downside. So I take the 6 downside. Now which is the number made here? 0 6. That means 6. Okay, so in the 2 table 6 comes. Yes, at which place? 2 3s are 6. So we give the divide of 3. 2 3s are 6. Again minus 6. But you have to write down the 6 exactly at that downside of that number. So 6 minus 6 is 0. And this is also 0. So what is our answer? Our answer, that means quotient, it is the 23. Okay. And remainder is the 0. Okay. So you have to write down the downside. Quotient is equal to what is that? 23. Okay. Now next example, 39 by 3. That means 39 is divided by 3. So again we can do here the sign of long division. This is the sign of long division. Now 39 is the dividend. So we write in the inside. And divided by 3, 3 is the divisor. Okay, so we divide 39 by 3. So 3 we write at the outside. Okay, now you can check the first number. So if the first number in the dividend is greater than or equal to divisor, then we can divide. Okay, so 3 is equal to 3. So that we can divide. That means 3 comes in the 3 table. So at what place the 3 comes? 3 1s are 3. So we write 3 1s are 3. Right? Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Now which number is remaining? 9. So we take the 9 downside. Okay. Now which number is made here? 0 9. That means 9 only. So is the 9 come in the 3 table? Yes. At which place? 3 3s are 9. So we write 3 3s are 9. So you have to write down the 9 exactly downside of the above 9. Right? Now 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 as it is. So what is our quotient here? Yes, 13. Because in the division the answer is always top of the division. So we write quotient is equal to 13. Okay. Now let us see the number 3. 84 by 4. That means 84 is divided by 4. Right? So 84 is dividend and 4 is divisor. So again it is arranged in the long division sign. So 84 is dividend, so we write in the inside, and 4 is the divisor, so we write in the outside. Okay, now let's check the first number. So if the first number, what is the condition here? If the first number is greater than or equal to divisor, then we can divide it, right? So 8 is greater than 4, right? So we have to divide the 8 first, right? So 4, in 4 table 8 comes, yes, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 8 minus 8 is what? 0. Now which number is remaining? 4. That you have to take the downside, 4. Now again see the number is 4. Now 4 is equal to 4. So we can divide it. So pick the table of 4 till the 4 comes. 4 1s are 4. Yes, so we write 4 1s are 4. Right? Now 4 minus 4 is 0 and 0 as it is. So what is the quotient here? 21. Right? So write down the answer. Quotient is equal to 21. Okay? So in this way you can solve the examples dividing 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay? First of all, you have to check the first number is greater than or equal to divisor or not. And then you have to start the dividing it. Okay? The next is dividing 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Because it is same as the dividing 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Same steps you have to follow. Okay? Okay students, now let's see the examples. Again we have to divide here. Right? Number 1, 440 divide 2. So this is a sign of division. So we say that divided. So 440 divided 2. Right? So what is the dividend here? 440. And what is the divisor here? 2. So arrange these numbers in the long division sign. So I draw this long division sign, right? Now 440 is the dividend, so we write in the inside. So 440 I write here. Now 2 is the divisor, so I write outside. Okay, now start dividing it. Okay, so first of all, check the first number. So what is the first number here? 4. So check 4 is greater than or equal to 2. Yes, it is greater than 2. So we can divide first 4. Right? So 4 comes in the 2 table. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Right? Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 0. But at a time you have to take the downside only one number. आप एक टाइम पे एक ही नंबर डाउन साइड ले सकते हो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई टेक द डाउन साइड 4. So I take the downside here 4. Now number is 4. It is greater than 2, right? So 4 comes in the 2 table. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Right? Now 4 minus 4 is 0 and 0. Now which number is remaining to divide? 0. So we have to take it at the downside. So I take the 0 downside. Now check this downside number, that is 0, is greater than or equal to 2? No, it is the less than 2. So we cannot divide it. So we have to keep the 0 for this 0. That means we have to give the 0 divide. Right? So we have to write 2 zeros are 0. Because the number, that means that 0 is less than 2. So we have to give the here 0 divide. Okay, remember students, if the number is less than that divisor, then you have to give the 0 divide. So 2 zeros are 0. That means here 0 minus 0 0. Again 0. Here it is also 0. Right? So what is the quotient here? So write down here quotient. So quotient is equal to 220. Okay, got it? Let's see one more example. Number 2, 339 divided by 3. Right? So again we have to arrange it into the long division sign. Okay, so I write down the sign here. 339 is the dividend, so I will write here, and 3 is the divisor, so I write outside of that sign. Now let's check first. First, 3 is greater than or equal to 3. It is equal to 3. So we can divide it, right? So 3 comes in the 3 table. Yes. 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3 is what? 0. Now 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. That means 39. But at a time we have to take downside only one number. Right? So we take the 3 downside. Now what is the number here? 3. Again 3 is equal to 3. So we can divide it. So again 3 ones are 3. Now 3 minus 3, 0. This 0 is as it is. Now which number is remaining? 9. So we take this 9 downside. Now 9 is greater than or equal to 3. It is greater than 3. So we can divide it. So at which place the 9 comes in the 3 table? 3 3s are 9. So we give the divide of 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So now 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 as it is. Again 0 as it is. So what is our quotient here? 113. So write down the answer. Quotient is equal to 113. Right? Now let's see one more example. Example number 3. 404 divided by 2. Okay. So again same way we have to do it. So we have to arrange it into the long division sign. So this is the long division sign. And 404 is dividend. So I write inside. 2 is the divisor. So I write the outside. Okay. Just check the first number. First number is 4 and it is greater than 2. So we can divide it. So 2 2s are 4. Right. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. So now we take the 0 downside. Okay. You have to remember you have to take downside only one number. So 0. Now 0 is the less than 2. So we cannot divide it. So we give the divide of 0 divide. Right. So 2 zeros are 0. So now here is 0. Again here it is same 0. Now which number is taken downside? 4. So I take the 4 downside. Now 4 is greater than 2. So we can divide it. So at which place 4 comes? 2s are. So we write 2 2s are 4. Right. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Then again same 0. It is also 0. So what is our quotient here? That means answer of division here. 202. So write down quotient is equal to 202. Okay. Got it? So in this way we can divide the 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Right? The next is dividing 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number. It is also same dividing the 2-digit and 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Same steps you have to follow. Let's see the examples. Divide. Number 1. 3639 divide 3. We also read at 3639 divided by 3. So what is the dividend here? 3639. And what is the divisor here? 3. So we can arrange it into the long division sign. Okay, so dividend is what? 3639. And what is the divisor here? 3. Okay, so let's start from the first number. So what is the first number here? 3. So 3 is greater than or equal to 3? It is equal to 3, so we can divide it. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Now, which numbers are remaining? 639. But we have to take downside only 1. So, the next number is 6. That is, I take the downside. Now, check this 6 is greater than or equal to 3. It is greater than 3. So, we can divide it. So, at which place 6 come? 2s are. So, we write 3 2s are 6. Right? Now, 6 minus 6 is 0. And this 0 is as it is. Now, next number is 3. Now, we take the 3 downside. So, 3 is greater than or equal to 3. It is equal to 3. So, we can divide it. Okay. So, which place come? 1s are. So 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. This is also 0 and also 0. Now which number is remaining now? Yes, 9. So again we have to take it downside 9. Now again see, 9 is greater than or equal to 3. It is greater than 3. So we can divide it. So we divide 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So we have to write all these 0, 4 zeros. Right? So what is the answer here? Our quotient here? 1213. So write down the downside. Quotient is equal to 1213. Right? So in this way, one by one number, you have to take the downside and solve this divide. Okay? Let's see. Next example. Example number 2. 8264 divide 2. Right? So let us see how we can solve it out. So first of all, again arrange into the long division sign. So here long division sign. The dividend is 8264. Divisor is 2. I can write outside. Okay. Now check the first number, that is the 8. So check 8 is greater than or equal to 2. It is greater than 2. So we can divide it. Okay. So 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. So we write here 8. Now 8 minus 8 is 0. Now 3 numbers are remaining. But one by one I take the downside. So first I take the 2 downside. So now number is 2. It is equal to 2. So we can divide it. So 2 1s are 2. Right? So 2 minus 2 is 0. Right? Now next number is 6. Now I take the 6 downside. So 6 is again greater than 2. So we can divide it 6. So 2 3s are 6. So we write here 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. Now the next number, what is remaining? 4. So also we take this 4 at the downside. Okay. Now 4 is again greater than 2. So we can divide it. 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Okay. So what is our quotient now? Our answer is 4132. Okay. This is our quotient. Okay. Let's see one more example. That is 8048 divided by 4. Right? So 8048 is dividend and 4 is the divisor. So arrange it into the long division sign. So I can arrange it into the long division sign. 8048 divided by 4. Okay. Now let's check the first number 8. It is greater than 4. So we have to divide it. So at which place 8 comes? 4 2s are 8. Right? So 8 minus 8 is 0. Now which is the next number? 0. So we take the 0 downside. Now 0 is less than 4. So what is the condition? If the number comes less than the divisor, then you have to give the 0 divide. Right? So what is this means of 0 divide? That means we have to write in the quotient 0. 4 zeros are 0. Right? Now 0 minus 0 is 0 and this 0 is as it is. Now what is the next number? 4. So we have to take the downside 4. Right? Now 4 is equal to 4. So we can divide it. 4 1s are 4. Right? Now 4 minus 4 is 0 and this 0 is as it is. Okay. Now which is the next number? 8. So we take the 8 downside. Okay. So what is the number here? 8. And that is the greater than 4. At which place 8 come? 2s are. So 4 2s are 8. So now 8 minus 8 is 0 and other zeros are as it is. So what is our quotient here? 2012. So write down quotient is equal to 2012. Okay. So in this way you can divide the 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.